Today I am going to show you how to create a very professional and cool looking intro in Alight Motion. It is super easy and I will guide you step by step. So let's get started. Now click on the plus icon and add a rectangle shape. Go to the three dots and select Stretch to Composition Area so it covers the full screen. Keep the color black because it gives a premium look. Next, we will add a line. Go to Move and Transform. And adjust the size. Make the line a bit bigger so it looks like a pendulum string. Now, very important step. Move the pivot point to the top of the line. Just double tap and drag the pivot point to the top. This is important because now the line will swing correctly. After that, change the color to purple or violet and adjust the thickness from border and shadow for a clean look. Now, add a small circle. And place it at the bottom of the line. Pay attention here. We need to link this circle to the line layer. So when the line moves, the circle moves automatically. No need to animate it separately. And add keyframes to the line. Make it swing left and right. To make it smooth, use the graph editor. Now it looks like a real pendulum. Next, duplicate the circle layer. And add Gaussian blur to create a soft glow effect. Now, let's add your channel name. Type your text and use a bold font so it stands out. To create a glow effect on the text, add a large white circle and apply strong Gaussian blur. link this blurred circle to the line layer. So when the pendulum swings, the glow moves with it and your text shines beautifully. Now let's enhance the background. Add another shape and stretch it to full screen. And apply soft glow and light glow. This gives a cinematic look and makes everything pop. And that's it, your intro is ready. If you want ready-made Alight Motion templates, click the video on the left. And if you want the full detailed tutorial, check the video on the right.